I moved to Chico in 1985. Hiking, running, and mountain biking are just a few of the things that I like most about living in Chico and Bidwell Park. Unfortunately, I injured my back in an accident a few years ago. Specialists and pain pills became my new lifestyle. At that point, a good friend recommended Chico Back and Neck Pain Center. From the moment I stepped through the door, I knew that there was hope for healing without all the risks of surgery.
Hi, I'm Dr. Matt McCown from Chico Back and Neck Pain Center. If you suffer from chronic pain, from spinal arthritis, degenerative disc disease, sciatica, or disc bulges, the DRX 9000 can finally help eliminate your pain for good. It works by gently separating the vertebra, removing painful pressure from both joints and nerves.
Every day when I wake up, I can't believe how great I feel and how happy I am that I made the decision to call Chico Back and Neck Pain Center. I'm back doing all the things I enjoy the most.
Call today for your free consultation. Chico Back and Neck Pain Center. Get back your life. Get back to living.